Isteco is a globally recognized company that provides innovative software solutions specifically tailored for engineering design, process automation, and simulation-driven optimization. At the core of its technology is its flagship product, Mode Frontier, which has become an essential tool for engineers and designers across a wide range of industries, including automotive, aerospace, and energy. This powerful platform is designed to simplify and streamline highly complex workflows by allowing users to manage, optimize, and refine design processes with exceptional precision. One of the most valuable features of Isteco's technology is its integration of sophisticated algorithms, machine learning, and multi-objective optimization methods. These advanced capabilities enable users to explore a vast range of design alternatives simultaneously, giving them the power to evaluate and compare various solutions side by side. This not only saves time, but also enhances the quality and performance of the final product. By facilitating better collaboration and more efficient data sharing between teams, Isteco significantly improves the overall engineering process. It enables companies to innovate faster and bring high-performing, optimized products to market more quickly. Through its commitment to intelligent automation and digital transformation, Isteco continues to shape the future of engineering, helping industries evolve with smarter, faster, and more efficient design solutions. Imagine a transportation system where trains are no longer limited by conventional tracks and wheels, where movement is silent, seamless, and incredibly efficient. That is exactly what hygroscopic transport envisions, a revolutionary concept that could change the way we think about travel. Instead of using traditional rail systems, these trains would glide on a cushion of air created by wheels made from hygroscopic materials. These specialized wheels have the remarkable ability to attract and retain moisture from the atmosphere. As they spin, they generate a thin layer of water vapor between the wheel and the ground, effectively eliminating friction and allowing the train to hover slightly above the surface. This innovative mechanism means the trains could move at high speeds without the noise, resistance, or structural limitations of traditional tracks. Such a design not only reduces mechanical wear and energy consumption, but also opens up new possibilities for travel across various landscapes, even in places where laying down conventional rails would be impractical or environmentally harmful. Although hygroscopic transport remains in the early phases of research and development, its potential is immense. It could lead to quieter, cleaner, and more flexible train systems in the near future. If successfully implemented, this technology would mark a major leap forward in the world of eco-conscious, high-speed mobility, reshaping how people and goods move across distances and redefining the future of mass transit. NASA's Capstone mission is a pivotal milestone in the agency's broader initiative to return to the moon and ultimately journey farther into the solar system. The mission centers around a small but sophisticated CubeSat named Capstone, which stands for Cislunar Autonomous Positioning System Technology Operations and Navigation Experiment. Though modest in size, this satellite carries a powerful purpose. It has been launched to test a special kind of orbit around the moon known as the near rectilinear halo orbit. This orbit is highly stable and demands very little fuel to maintain, making it an ideal path for long-term missions. Significantly, NASA has chosen this very orbit for its future Gateway space station. And less dependent on communication with Earth. The CubeSat is collecting critical data to refine how spacecraft can determine their location in space without external inputs, a breakthrough that will enhance safety and reduce costs in future missions. In many ways, Capstone acts as a trailblazer, demonstrating innovative approaches to navigation and orbital stability that will shape the future of space travel. Its success is a crucial step in creating a sustainable human presence on the Moon and lays the groundwork for ambitious journeys beyond our natural satellite, possibly reaching Mars and deeper into the cosmos. The Paramount Marauder was originally created with a very focused purpose: to serve in active military operations, primarily for escorting convoys and transporting troops through dangerous, war-torn zones. Its intimidating design and powerful protection capabilities made it ideal for navigating hostile environments where survival depended on the vehicle's strength and durability. However, after being deployed in several regions across Africa, civilians began to take notice of its capabilities. What started as a purely military tool slowly began to gain popularity among private users who were drawn to its rugged aesthetics, durability, and the sense of invincibility it offers. Eventually, the demand grew, and now the Marauder is not only used in combat, but is also privately owned in some parts of the world. Its production has been set up in Jordan, where it's manufactured with precision and power. Under the hood, it features a robust diesel engine that generates more than 300 horsepower and an impressive 1,100 Newton meters of torque. It might not be the fastest machine on the road, with a maximum speed of 120 kilometers per hour, but its long-range capability of up to 500 kilometers on a full tank, supported by auxiliary fuel storage, makes it highly efficient for long operations. What truly sets it apart is its resistance to explosions, able to withstand over 10 kilograms of TNT under its wheels and about 7 kilograms directly beneath the vehicle. This is an extraordinary level of protection for a land vehicle. In addition to its heavy armor, it comes equipped with air conditioning and even a system designed to counter weapons of mass destruction. Driving the Marauder feels like sitting inside a fortress on wheels. Of course, owning such a powerful and armored vehicle comes with high maintenance costs, so anyone thinking about having one should definitely keep a detailed log of every expense involved. But all in all, the Marauder is a perfect blend of brute strength, military-grade engineering, and civilian appeal, offering safety and power unlike any conventional vehicle on the market. The Renault Float is an imaginative and forward-thinking concept that brings a whole new perspective to urban transportation by seamlessly integrating advanced technology with environmental consciousness. This uniquely spherical, bubble-shaped vehicle doesn't rely on traditional wheels. Instead, it employs magnetic levitation, allowing it to glide effortlessly and silently through city streets. This not only makes travel smoother and more futuristic, but also entirely emission-free, promoting a greener and more sustainable approach to urban mobility. The outer shell of the Float is made from transparent materials, offering passengers a breathtaking panoramic 360-degree view of their surroundings as they move through the city. Inside, the cabin is designed to provide an immersive travel experience, enhanced by intelligent features such as voice command controls and augmented reality interfaces that allow for real-time interaction and digital overlays, making the ride both engaging and futuristic. A particularly standout element of the Renault Float is its modular capability. Each individual pod is designed to connect with others, enabling a flexible configuration depending on the user's needs. Whether traveling solo or in a group, multiple units can link together, forming a convoy that moves in harmony. This feature opens the door to a more communal and interactive travel method, enhancing social connection while on the move. The sleek, minimalistic design combined with smart functionality and a strong eco-friendly message positions the Renault Float as not just a mode of transport, but a glimpse into the future of smart urban living. It transforms everyday commuting into an enjoyable, connected experience while staying deeply rooted in sustainable principles, making it a bold and visionary leap toward the cities of tomorrow. SAI's High Altitude Platform Station, or HAPS, is a revolutionary technology designed to operate high above the Earth in the stratosphere at altitudes close to 65,000 feet. These solar-powered airships are not just a feat of engineering, but a new frontier in communication and environmental intelligence. What makes them unique is their ability to function like satellites, but with far greater flexibility. Unlike traditional satellites that follow fixed orbits and can take time to realign or replace, SciHaps can be repositioned when needed, allowing them to deliver focused regional services or respond rapidly to emergencies. These platforms are equipped to provide high-speed internet, telecommunication services, and real-time Earth observation, making them ideal for supporting remote areas where digital connectivity is limited or non-existent. Their ability to hover over specific regions for long durations allows for sustained observation and data gathering, crucial during natural disasters or in ongoing environmental research projects. They serve as a valuable asset for monitoring climate conditions, tracking environmental changes, and assisting in crisis management. With zero emissions and a solar-powered system, they also align with the growing demand for sustainable technology. SE's innovation not only reduces dependency on expensive satellite infrastructure, but also bridges the digital divide, offering a cleaner, more adaptable, and cost-effective solution to global connectivity and monitoring challenges. Developed by Jetpack Aviation, is a revolutionary advancement in the field of personal flight. As the world's first jet-powered flying motorcycle, it reimagines the concept of transportation by merging powerful aviation technology with the convenience and thrill of motorbiking. This futuristic vehicle is powered by 8 compact jet engines that enable it to perform vertical takeoffs and landings, eliminating the need for runways or lengthy prep. With these capabilities, it can effortlessly hover, ascend, and cruise through the air with impressive agility. The speeder reaches a cruising speed of around 60 miles per hour and offers a flight time of about 30 minutes, delivering a breathtaking airborne experience that feels like science fiction brought to life. But the innovation doesn't stop with personal adventure. The speeder is designed for both manned and unmanned missions, greatly expanding its usefulness. In military settings, it can be used for rapid response, surveillance, or troop support. In civilian sectors, it holds promise for transporting cargo over rough terrain, delivering medical supplies to remote areas, or even performing critical evacuations during emergencies. Firefighting missions could benefit from its ability to navigate into dangerous zones inaccessible to traditional vehicles. This groundbreaking machine stands at the forefront of a new era in aviation, turning the once impossible dream of riding a flying motorcycle into a functional, powerful, and practical reality. SpinLaunch is pioneering a bold new method of reaching space by moving away from traditional chemical rocket systems and instead utilizing kinetic energy to launch payloads into orbit. Their innovative approach aims to make space access far more affordable and frequent. At the heart of their system is a massive vacuum-sealed centrifuge that spins a rocket at extremely high speeds, reaching velocities of up to 7,500 kilometers per hour, or around 4,660 miles per hour. Once this incredible speed is achieved, the rocket is released from the centrifuge and flung into the sky, rapidly gaining altitude. At approximately 60 kilometers above the Earth's surface, about 200,000 feet, the rocket then ignites its onboard propulsion to accelerate to full orbital velocity, which is approximately 27,600 kilometers per hour, or 17,150 miles per hour. This two-phase launch strategy allows for a drastic reduction in fuel usage and launch infrastructure, leading to significant cost savings. The system is designed to carry payloads of up to 200 kilograms, making it ideal for launching small satellites and other compact, durable instruments. One of the most striking features of this method is the extreme acceleration involved, peaking at around 10,000 Gs. While this acceleration is far too intense for human passengers or delicate equipment, it is perfectly suited for specially hardened payloads designed to withstand high forces. If successfully developed and commercialized, the SpinLaunch system could cut launch costs by a factor of 20, bringing them down to under $500,000 per mission. This transformative shift could democratize space access and dramatically increase the number of launches per year. Drawing inspiration from older concepts like centrifugal guns, but applying state-of-the-art engineering and materials, SpinLaunch is attempting to redefine the economics and logistics of orbital delivery in the modern space age. Visualize a city unlike any other on Earth, a place where urban life isn't spread outward endlessly, but instead rises with elegance into the sky. This is the vision behind The Line, a bold megacity concept being developed in Saudi Arabia that redefines everything we know about metropolitan living. Rather than consuming vast amounts of land like traditional cities, The Line is designed as a narrow yet incredibly long vertical structure that could stretch for hundreds of kilometers while standing only a few hundred meters wide. Within this sleek and futuristic structure, millions of people would live in harmony with technology and nature, with all essential services and destinations placed within a 5-minute walk or a swift elevator ride. From residential areas and workplaces to schools, shops, health services, and entertainment zones, everything would be stacked in an intelligently layered urban system. There would be no need for cars, thanks to a state-of-the-art high-speed transit system that runs silently and efficiently through the core of the city. Vertical gardens, green terraces, and eco-friendly technology would make sustainability not just a goal, but a way of life. The Line would drastically cut down on carbon emissions and land usage while offering a healthier, smarter way to coexist with the environment. This isn't just architecture. It's a glimpse into the future of human civilization, where progress, innovation, and nature intersect to create a new kind of society designed for efficiency, beauty, and sustainability all at once. The Mukaab is a groundbreaking project set to redefine urban architecture and futuristic living. Located in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, this cube-shaped marvel is unlike anything the world has ever seen before. Towering at an astonishing height of 1,312 feet, it's equivalent in volume to 20 Empire State Buildings and will become the centerpiece of the expansive New Murabba district. This visionary development is designed to host a city within a city, accommodating over 350,000 residents and covering more than 4,695 acres. The Mukaab is not just about scale, it's about the future of immersive urban living. Inside, visitors will find advanced technologies including racetracks built for flying cars and breathtaking digital environments that simulate travel to alien planets and otherworldly realms. Holographic projections, including towering figures and surreal landscapes, will bring an entirely new dimension to how space is experienced. Autonomous vehicles will seamlessly navigate through the infrastructure, proving that driverless transport is no longer a distant dream but a daily reality. The Mukaab will offer a blend of luxury residences, office spaces, hotels, parks, and recreational areas, all enclosed within its futuristic shell. Inspired by the Arabic word for cube, this structure embodies a bold vision where tradition meets innovation, and where the boundaries of design, technology, and human imagination are pushed beyond limits.